Ready to see a comic strip getting inked? Then this is a video you need to check out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics, I do children's picture books. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a daily Poison Ivy Gulch comic strip getting inked. Here we have, a pairing you don't see much. Little Boy Ace and the Mayor of Poison Ivy Gulch, Samuel Sidewinder. Alright. Masking in the areas of black ink here. Oh, and there's quite a lot of it on the page. Alright, let's get started here. Start with Ace's Billy Jack hat. I really like drawing Ace with that hat. Again, it's good to have a fair mix of values on a comics page, be it a comic strip or a comic book or a graphic novel. I mean, it creates a variety on the page. I mean, if everything is just all white, all black, or just junked up, people aren't going to know where to look. Let's get the Mayor inked in. Alright. Yeah, for the Mayor, I'm gonna use a bigger brush. Use this round number 5. Let's wet the brush here in my jar of water, then dip it into the jar of ink, and there we go. See, this is very easy. With some practice, anyone can make comics. I can, you can, your neighbor can, that guy living down the street can. It's a skill that can be learned. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now this close-up of Ace here. Just going to ink in his Billy Jack hat. Ink in the eyeballs. Drop a bit of a shadow here. Under his face, we make it look three-dimensional. Yeah, that's a challenge. I mean, drawings like these are flat. I mean, you got to give the illusion of depth, and that's what I try to do in my drawings. If the backgrounds look sparse in my work, I do that for a reason. I don't want to clutter up the page. I mean, I don't want to take away focus from the characters who are the focus of my work. I'm actually employing something that the old masters used to use. It's called selective realism, where you simply concentrate or highlight certain elements in a painting or a drawing for the audience to focus on. If you try to focus on everything, if you try to highlight everything, now the audience doesn't know where to look, and you've lost them. Of course, while I do have technical knowledge, I also tend to trust my intuition a lot. Sometimes I feel it's better to follow your instincts. I mean, sometimes a drawing can feel right, even if it's not technically correct. And there we go. I'm going to finish this one later, once the ink dries. I'm going to switch over to another one I'm working on. This one features two of the characters in the Gulch who deal with death. Herman the German, the local hangman, and Rig R. Mortis, the local undertaker. Indeed, that is a big nail. You see? It's a simple one gag panel here. It's to the point and it works. That's one of the skills you need to learn when you're making comics, you know, what to leave in, what to leave out. Again, I'm kind of using a minimalist background here, so I want to concentrate on the characters. I have these very basic lines, which conveys that they're in town, in Poison Ivy Gulch. Suit inked. Don't ask where he got that nail. He didn't tell me. And there we are. I finished inking this. Later, when this is dry, I'll add in the last of the stuff there. Inkwork, signature. That's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And hit that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time, friends, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.